Okay, how's everybody doing out there? My name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. Excuse me, having a ball with the Nano Black. This is our Eclipse Nano Black screen paint. Spray on screen paint at only 60% done. That's it. Now this kit is going to come in two different forms. It's going to come with a 2-quart kit with a Wagner paint sprayer, or we're going to have it with our, this is going to be a wallpaper kit. The wallpaper kit is going to come with a surface that is 4x8. This is going to be a free plexiglass surface, very thin, flexible if you're going to use this curve or non-curve. It's going to be absolutely fantastic in your home theater setup. This is the actual plexiglass itself that will be shipping to you for free, along with the Wagner 150 paint sprayer and 3 option choices, which you have it silver, black, or have it in our new platinum slate. Sorry about that. This is only with the wallpaper kit only. That is gorgeous. By Friday, we should have this at 100% done. This was actually sprayed on. Dries in no time whatsoever. It's 4K and 3D ready. Now 2 quarts of this technology will run around $482. But the technology is absolutely amazing. All right, let me grab another demonstration. Got one right here with some more birdies. See how amazing this screen is. This screen is absolutely incredible. Like I said, 60% done. That's it. It's not even finished yet. Okay, before my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal Edge Technology Screens using smart technology gain. The Eclipse Nano, or Eclipse Nano screens will be available in screen paint, and the kits will be available on the 16th of this coming week. I think it's next week will be the 16th. Well, no, I'm sorry, not next week won't be the 16th, sorry about that. But it'll be available on the 16th. So I suggest for this stuff to sell out pretty quick. Yeah, right now I have a few customers over in the UK that's asking if they can get at least 60 gallons of it. And keep in mind, you can spray this on anything. I mean, literally anything. Alright, thank you all for your time. I'm going to let this run just a little bit more. I'll do some gaming demonstrations next, and also we still got 2 more demonstrations to go. I mean, series demonstrations. These are series demonstrations, but main demonstrations. We have the let you guys know exactly what this is on the ceiling, and also we're going to be making a fixed frame projection screen using our free black blackout cloth. Show you some cool things you can do with that cloth. Alright, thank you all again.